My name is Anirudh Pratap Yadav. I am studying in Carmel School, Ambikapur, class 12th, and I am here to present a small story before you. In a small town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Ved, who had a peculiar fascination about magnets. While other children spent their time playing games or exploring the wood, Ved was often found in his room surrounded by magnets of different size and shapes. His favorite magnet was horseshoe magnet, which his grandfather had given to him, with the letters N and S faintly engraved on its arm. Ved was a quiet boy and often lost on his own thought, but there was something about him that drew people in. His classmates would often gather around him to see what new things he had discovered with a magnet. But it was not just the magnet that captivated them, it was Ved himself, the aura of Ved. One day, when Ved was reading a chapter on magnetism in his physics textbook, he stumbled upon a curious idea that magnet has a magnetic field, an invisible force that attracts or repels other magnetic object. But what intrigued Ved was that magnet has a magnetic poles and they always come in pairs, North Pole and a South Pole. No matter how many times you cut a magnet, each piece would resemble a new magnet with both North and South Pole. Then he thought that do people have their own magnetic fields too? In order to find out, he decided to conduct an experiment. What he did is, firstly, he placed two magnets close together and then he observed that they either snapped together with a satisfying click or pushed each other away. It reminded him of the way people interacted. Then one day when Ved was deep in his thought, then his grandfather walked into his room. Seeing the array of magnets all around, he smiled and sat down beside Ved. Very enthusiastically, Ved asked his grandfather that, do people have magnetic fields too? He smiled and then he said, in a way, yes. There are forces in the world which we can't see, but they are always at work. Similarly, there is something that resonates with other, which we can't see. Ved's journey of discovery continued as he learned to embrace the magnetic pull of his own personality, not with the force of physics, but with the strength of kindness, curiosity, and quiet charm. Thank you.